Hi, this is Chris Morrissey, and I am showing you my Keller Williams app. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to go through to find open houses in a general area. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to have to go to the advanced search feature. Now, the advanced search, if you come up here and you see these three little lines up here, we're going to touch that, and it's going to show you the pull-out menu. And then from the pull-out menu, the fourth item down, which says Advanced Search, we're going to click on Advanced Search. And let's go back. Let's click on Advanced Search again, and there it comes. So the first thing that we're going to do is down here at the very bottom, you'll see the clear sign. We can clear everything out so we can start from fresh. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to look for homes for sale. If you're looking for homes to rent, you want to click on that one. But homes for sale, you click on the first one. Then you're going to come to this area, and we're going to type in Rancho Santa Margarita. And I've already typed that in, so now we're going to be looking at Rancho Santa Margarita. Now the next line, this line, is we're going to put in a minimum and maximum. So I'm going to say a minimum price of $500,000 and a maximum price of $700,000. So we're going to see everything in that general range. Now, if you need a particular bedroom count, like say for instance you need at least 3 bedrooms, then what we'll do is we'll come here and we'll click on 3 bedrooms. All property types. Now let me click on the arrow key right here, and it shows you all the different property types. I'll bring this out of the way, and we don't care about lots. We don't care about commercial. In multifamily is if you're a duplex or something like that. So we'll unclick that as well. So we'll look at single family, condos, and townhouses. We'll say OK. So come down here, press OK. Then the next thing is you want to make sure that this says active. So we'll click on the arrow key, and it says active, because you don't want to look at things that are already under contract, and that's what pending means, is that it's already under contract, so you're not going to be able to buy it. Now, if you are just interested in finding out what your property value is, then you can look at pending values, and that way you can see approximately what people are paying for in that general area. But for right now, we're going to search active. So we're going to just come down here, say OK. Then the next item is that right here it says open house. We want to make sure that that's clicked. And so we're going to see just houses from $500,000 to $700,000 in the Rancho Santa Margarita area that are going to have an open house. You can say, you can adjust the size. We're just going to leave it at any size. And at this point, we're just going to come down here and we're going to hit search. So I'll hit search, and it gives us our list. Now, I can go up to this icon up here, which is the map icon, and it will show you where these are physically located. So here's Rancho Santa Margarita. You've got South Santa Margarita, which is the Los Flores areas, and you got Trabuco Canyon at the very top. So once we find, and we can either go back to the list. So I can come back here and hit the list. This shows you pictures, so if there's something that catches your eye, you can say, oh, I'm interested in this one. I can click on that. It'll bring up all the information. Now, if I stay in this general area and bring my finger left or right, it will take me to the next picture, the next picture, the next picture of this home. Now, if I take and I slide upwards, then I go and I can see all the different details, such as when it was built, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how many half baths, the square footage. All that information is all right here. If I want to go back, I can go back to up here and hit the icon for the maps, and can just click off of that, or come back here to the list and get the list. So you can see that there's a lot of information right here as well. It shows that this one has a price reduction. It was originally $608 and it's now $599,900. It's gone down 1.3%. Gives you your address, gives you your square footage, your beds, and your bath count. Now down here at the bottom, you'll notice that it says open house Saturday, October 27th from 1 to 4 o'clock. So if I click on that, it shows up right here. And if I wanted to add that to my calendar, like say for instance, today is Thursday, but this is for this Saturday, I can click